friends, welcome to my channel Travelalong. In my last video, I took you to some places in this area of Bali. If you haven't watched that video yet, then this is how the thumbnail looks and the link is in the description below. Now we're going to some places in the central north and north of Bali. Number 1 on my recommendation list is the Jatiluwih rice terrace fields. These beautiful fields are spread over 300 hectares of rice fields with 5 different trekking routes. Here, the shortest trek you can do is of 1 hour, while the longer one was of 4 hours. Number 2 on my list is dolphin watching at the Lovina Beach. It is a black sand beach in the extreme north of Bali. For dolphin watching, we had to leave our hotel at 5 o'clock in the morning because dolphins can be best watched with the sunrise. Next on my list is to reach this waterfall, you have to hop on a bike. After the bike ride, the guide will take you on a long trek to see 3 beautiful waterfalls, one of which is Sekumpul Waterfall. The trek is quite an adventure. They also have tiny food stalls at distance for refreshment. After about 1 hour of trek, this is how Sekumpul Waterfall looks from near. Can you spot 3 rainbows in the waterfall? Half a kilometer away from Sekumpul Waterfall was a hidden waterfall. Number 4 on my recommendation list is the Twin Lake of Bali. It is quite possible that you will be greeted by a lot of monkeys while going towards this lake. Also, on the way to the lake, there are a lot of side road food stalls to eat and enjoy the scenic view, along with creatures like snake, chameleon, and even bats to click pictures with. Next on my list is this temple near the lake. Next on my list is the Botanical Gardens near the lake and the temple. With a few activities and endless species of plants and trees, it's a perfect place to encounter the nature of Bali. Near these botanical gardens is this Indian restaurant where a very sweet lady will win your heart by cooking fresh Indian meals, best in taste on the island. So friends, that's all for today. Let me show you this amazing and surprisingly super cheap Airbnb villa in which I was staying at the Lovina Beach, North Bali. Thank you for watching my videos. For more information, please look at the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, like, comment and share with all of your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.